How to use email template in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Canva application. Sign into your account if you have not already. If you are a new user, simply sign up and create a new account. The process is very simple. After you land in this interface, go to templates and then search for email, and a bunch of templates will load over here. Now, simply select the one that you prefer or you like the best. After that, you will be able to edit it and change it according to your choice. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.